Hello everyone, in this video, we're diving into the world of inline styles in React. We'll explore how to use JavaScript objects to style your components directly. Get ready to unleash the power of dynamic styling in your React applications. So, what exactly are inline styles in React? Well, they are CSS styles that are defined as JavaScript objects. These style objects are then applied directly to React elements using the style attribute. Think of it as a way to bring CSS directly into your JavaScript code, making your components highly dynamic and customizable. Let's take a look at the basic syntax for using inline styles. First, you define a style object as a JavaScript constant. Inside this object, you specify your CSS properties and their values. Notice that CSS properties are written in camel case instead of kebab case. Then, in your React components return statement, you apply this style object to an element using the style attribute. Remember to enclose the JavaScript object in curly braces. It's important to understand the key differences between inline styles and traditional CSS. In CSS, you typically use kebab case for property names like background color, and values are usually strings such as 16 pixels. However, in React's inline styles, you use camel case for property names like background color, and values can be either strings like 16 pixels or numbers like 16. This distinction is crucial to avoid errors and ensure your styles are applied correctly. You can also apply styles directly within the JSX of your React components. Instead of creating a separate style object, you can define the styles inline using double curly braces. The outer set of curly braces is for the JSX syntax, while the inner set is for defining the JavaScript object. This approach is useful for quick styling adjustments or when styles are highly specific to a particular element. One of the most powerful aspects of inline styles is their ability to be dynamic. You can use JavaScript logic, such as conditional statements or variables, to determine which styles are applied to an element. In this example, the background color and color of the button change based on the isActive state. When isActive is true, the button has a blue background and white text, and when it's false, the button has a light gray background and black text. This allows you to create interactive and responsive user interfaces. Like any styling approach, inline styles have their pros and cons. On the plus side, they enable dynamic styling, offer component scoping, and seamlessly integrate with JavaScript. However, they lack some advanced CSS features, can impact performance if overused, and have limited reusability compared to CSS classes. To make the most of inline styles while avoiding potential pitfalls, here are some best practices to follow. Use inline styles primarily for dynamic or conditional styling, extract style objects for reusability across components, prefer CSS classes for static styles to maintain performance and separation of concerns, and keep your styles close to the components they style for better organization and maintainability. By following these guidelines, you can effectively leverage inline styles in your React projects. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.